Hello everybody, this is Mr. Jason. It is time for Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason. That's me. We are going to draw today a snowman. And we're going to do it in such a way that we can make this into a card. So before we talk about the pencils and all the art tools needed, the first thing we need is a piece of paper. And we're going to have it landscape, so it's wide and not quite as tall. And when you have your paper, we're going to fold it in half. And the way I like to tell people how to fold it is once we have it landscape, we're going to fold the ends towards each other. We're going to make these corners up here, we're going to make them hug. So one corner hugs the other corner, and then we pinch this side. Flip it over. Make those two corners hug. See how they haven't seen each other for a long time. They're together, they're hugging. Pinch that corner. We've got the two pinches. We put it down. And we just make a nice crease along that edge. And we folded our paper in half. We're going to just draw on the front. This should open like a book. So if you open it, it opens from the right side towards the left side. We're going to draw a snowman here on the front cover. You're going to need a pencil, an eraser. I'm going to draw with a handy dandy Sharpie so that it's easier to see. So for our snowman, we are going to start at the bottom and build up. So we're going to start down here and we're going to draw a curved line. On the other side, we're going to draw another curved line. Now, a snowman, we're usually going to find in what kind of outdoor situation? Probably snow. So we're going to draw kind of fluffy snow that somebody made the snowman out of. And that's just going to be kind of wavy lines that kind of look like a cloud. And we're just going to do it all around the bottom of the snowman. And every now and then we'll just add some clumps of snow. I'll let you just take a look at that. That's the snow that gets built up around where we built a snowman. And then behind it, a line for the background. So again, just catching up real quick, we did a curved line, a curved line, and then some fluffy snow around the bottom of the snowman. Next, we're going to draw a semicircle. If you remember from some previous drawings, a semicircle is basically a circle that isn't completely finished. There's a part of it that's left open. And this time we're going to leave the top of the circle open. So we're going to draw, it's going to come down into our snow, the bottom part of the snowman, and we're going to leave the top open. Now, this particular snowman is going to be wearing a scarf. I'm not sure if anybody's ever grown up in a cold environment, but a scarf is something that you wear to keep your neck warm. And when your neck is warm, then your face starts to feel warm, and that's half the battle. I grew up in Michigan, which is a very cold state. Your face and head is warm, the rest of your body is going to do just fine. So we're going to draw a scarf. We're going to draw a straight line on this side, a straight line on this side, and connect them or the curve lines. So straight, straight, curve, curve. On this end of the scarf, we're going to draw the part that comes out. It's the end of the scarf. It just comes down like that, down like that. So two curved lines, connect them. But on the end of the scarf, just a bunch of short lines that look like fringe. We're going to draw another semicircle, a circle that doesn't quite finish. And we're going to draw right here. Come down to the scarf, pretend it comes all the way around, and stop. This is obviously the head of our snowman. We're going to draw a curved line at the top of this circle, semicircle, and then come back around on both sides. So what we did is a curved line and then curve down. Curve line and come down. And then on this front edge, we're just going to draw another line that follows along that, and that just shows the front edge of the hat. And then we're going to draw the top hat right here. Straight line, curve at the top. And then a line for the ribbon that goes around the base of the hat. Okay. Our snowman needs some arms. We're going to do some stick arms. We're going to do one on each side. We'll start on this side, the right side. Just draw a straight line. Two straight lines, actually. And then we're just going to draw some offshoots. These are just branches that branch off of the original one. And we just draw some branches. These are all straight lines. So straight line, and then just make some diagonal and straight lines that come off of that arm. We'll pause. On this other arm, I'll do a little better job of directions. We'll do a straight line and another straight line for this stick. Then we're going to do an offshoot, straight line, an offshoot, and then connect them with a V. Straight line, offshoot, come down, go up to connect. So they're just sticks. Our snowman needs some eyes. So we're going to draw a circle, another circle, and we're going to color them in, and we're going to leave a little bit of it uncolored just to kind of make it look a little shiny, like there's something reflecting off the coal or rock. We're going to give the snowman a carrot nose. We're going to start by between these two eyes, but closer to the right eye, draw a curved line, and then we're going to draw a carrot nose, and then we're going to do some little curved lines to make it kind of look like a carrot. I'll hold it up a little closer to the screen. And that's what I mean by some round lines to try to make it look like a carrot, because carrots, they don't grow smooth, they have kind of a texture to them. On the bottom side of the carrot, about halfway, we're going to draw a curved line that comes down and goes up. Another curved line comes down and up. And finish that smile. Inside the mouth, we'll draw a little bit of a tongue and then color the rest in. Our snowman is smiling. We're going to draw some coal on the chest here. Just 3 circles. 1, and then over a little bit to the left to make it look like it's round, and then one that comes back over a little bit to the right, so that there's a little bit of a curve to it, and that kind of makes it look like these big round balls of snow are round and not flat. And we're going to color those in just like the eye. Color them in, but leave just a little spot there, so just a little shine to it. We're going to come back up to the stick and just every now and then add little lines on the stick, just like the carrot. There's some texture on the sticks. Along this side of this bottom snowball, we're just going to add short little lines all the way up, and we're going to stop. On this snowball, we're going to do the same. And then you guessed it, we're going to do it on this one too. And that's to give the impression of a little bit of a shadow, which is what we're also going to do on the underside of the hat. Draw some lines all the way across the underside of the hat there to give some more impression of shadow. The last step of our snowman is this scarf. I'm going to leave it up to the artist to decide what they want to draw on the scarf. You could draw hearts or circles. I like to do stripes, so if you want to copy me, I'm just going to add some stripes on the scarf so that when I color it in, I can make them green and red or any other kind of holiday colors you might like. This scarf, this part, also would have stripes. They're going to be facing a different direction because this part of the scarf is moving a different direction. That goes side to side, that goes up and down, so we change the direction. So that's our holiday snowman. Hopefully you'll get a chance to open it up and maybe add a nice message to somebody for the holidays. So I'm going to leave it there. Where your teacher takes it from here is hopefully going to be amazing, and I will see you next week with Drawing with Mr. Jason.